everyone, welcome to Rainbow Star Toys. Today we're going to make Barbie a cool bag out of this tape, some ribbon and a soap bottle. Yay! So first of all, you can use any kind of soap or shampoo bottle. It just needs to be something plastic with a little bit of a squish. And you just want to chop off the bottom, and this is the bit that's going to be your bag. Now next we're going to need some tape. You could use duct tape or something like that. I'm using pop tape with this really awesome rainbow print because I think it's fabulous. Duct tape, also do some really cool glitter ones or animal print, just whatever pattern you want your bag to be. Find some funky tape. Okay, so now we need to cut some strips off and then we're gonna stick them to the plastic soap bottle. Now I know this is the wrong way round for this print because it's going down instead of across, but we're just going to do a layer like this way around first, and then we're going to go over the top afterwards so that the pattern is going the right direction. So we just cut some strips off, stick them down all the way around the edge and along the bottom as neatly as possible. It does kind of bunch up a little bit, but just try and straighten it out as best you can. There we are, stick it to the bottom. Like that, give it a good squish. Okay, all the way around we need to go now, and then afterwards, as you can see, it looks like this. So I've sorted out the pattern so it goes the right way around now on the bottom and around the sides. And now what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to make a hole so that we can attach the strap. So we're going to make a hole about here with something pointy. Okay, and then you get your ribbon and you want to decide how long you want Barbie's bag to be. Where is it going to go? So you cut your length of ribbon and then we're going to stick it through this hole. Now, I've sealed the ends of this ribbon by using a lighter, but obviously only do that if you're a grown-up. And then I'm going to twist it and poke it through here. And then you can see I've tied some big knots on the inside to stop it coming out, and that's formed a nice strong handle. And now we can put some fun things in like these unicorn chocolate coins. Nom nom nom. We can fit loads of them in here. And what else can we? A lost kitty. Hello. Meow. There's one and two lost kitties. Meow. Oh, meow. Meow meow meow. Oh no, where did he go? It's so big you can lose your cats in it. Well, there we go. There's Barbie's awesome new bag. I think she's super pleased at all the cool things she can fit in there now. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all again in another video very soon. Bye! See you later, Barbie. Enjoy your bag.